Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Rotten to Z. So today we're doing an unboxing video with this. It's the Color Haus 30-piece makeup kit. It's so cute. Alright, this is it. It comes with 30 pieces and we're gonna unbox it. So I already opened it just to check that everything was here, but I haven't used it. By the way, guys, look at the back. It's so cute. Guys, I bought this at Five Below, by the way. I don't know how much it costs. But, so basically, you guys need to subscribe. Because, half of you aren't subscribed. And I literally want to get to 100 subscribers. 5 more. We're going to have, a big giveaway. So, do it. Alright, well, dang, it's already been a minute. Okay. Okay, this will definitely not be a short. So this is the eye palette. It's called My Eye Woke Up Like This. That's funny. So apparently I'm too lazy to go get a brush. So we're just gonna use it. Those are really cute colors. What color should I use? I'll do purple. It's the starry one. Oh wow, that's very tinted. You guys might not be able to see that. I don't have good lighting. Okay, you can definitely see that. Actually, it's kind of cute. I like this. It's not tinted, and it mostly has brown colors and stuff, you know. If I want to be modern a lot, then yes, I can use it, but I go for fun colors. So this is pretty good. I don't know. I feel like it's really cute. I don't know. It's not perfect, so I'll give it you know what? I'll give it a 9. It's cute. Alright, next we have if I could get it out, we'll be back. Alright, we got the So Extra mascara. Now, I don't really want to wear it right now, but I'm gonna have to for this video, so. Okay, it's honestly, it looks like a natural one. Really cute. I like the pink. Oh, wow, okay. My lashes are very dark. Don't mind my face, I have to do this. My lashes are very dark, but my lashes are very dark, but you can kind of see a difference. I understand this is kids makeup, so but look, that is so good. I definitely recommend this. This is so, and look at the packaging. It's so cute. I'd give that an 8.5. It's just mascara isn't really my thing because you can see. So next we have bronzer. This is a little makeup bronzer compartment, and am I opening it the wrong way? No, I'm not. Just hard. It's me personally, I don't know how you use bronzer. I feel like you're supposed to use it here. Let's try it. There's a glittery kind, and then there's a little golden. So I guess I use the lighter one. Oh god, that is. Now I understand why people don't use. My skin is probably gonna break out after this. Even though my skin is very healthy, I don't know what type of makeup this is. And then the glittery one doesn't really glitter. Okay, not that. I'm not really a fan of this one. It kind of just looks like powder foundation, so I'll give this one a 6. That's the bronzer though. There's still a lot more. Well, not a lot more, but we have the Bay Blush. By the way, that was called, oh my god. This one is called Bay Blush. And it's really cute. I almost broke it. So there's a lighter and a glittery pink. I think they all have that. So, okay, this is cuter. I feel like I can definitely cover up. The light one is really cute. And the glittery one, oh god. Oh yeah, the glittery one. The glittery one. Oh my god, you might not want to always. Oh, might not want to always use. But this one, I don't know. I'll give it. Keep dropping things. I'll give this one an 8. Bye. Alright, and then the last of the 3 compartments, it's called tea. I don't like tea personally, but if YouTube will let me do comments, then we can see who likes tea. I'm a coffee person, even though I don't really like caffeine. Kind of complicated. Right. I'll be back when I get this open. Right, done. So I got a golden side and then like brownish side. So what is this highlighter? Dang, I haven't used highlighter either. Okay. What is this supposed to do? Highlight areas? Honestly, it is actually working like pretty good. Do you see those marks? Yeah, that is the highlighter. Oh my god, I closed it. Okay. And then the dark one is like it's cute. I don't know. I feel like I'll give it a 7.5. Alright, next we have the Shook lip gloss. Shook lip gloss. And it's really good. I hope it is. Oh god, okay. It's clear. As you can see, I got a dot on it. Alright, don't put that much on. Oh, that's cute. It definitely gives you a plump effect, though. This is for kids, like. But it's called the Shook one, and it's really cute. I like it. Gives you a little pinky look. Next, I'm not going to be able to use this because I'm not going to be doing this, but nail polish. They're called the Flex, and there's a pink and a red for people who are most girly girls and people who just like the color red and are mature. This is really cute. I will not try them on though because we all know what nail polish looks like, but I can do one nail of each because like we need another. Okay, I suck at nail polish, by the way. I might need, okay, might have been too much, hopefully. So this is the pink. Guys, don't be mad. It doesn't look good. That's the pink, though. And I don't have to just keep that on. Okay, I'm screwed. And then the red. I swear, it's gonna drip on my clothes. Let's not make the same mistake this time. Alright? Because this is... Oh, the red isn't that mature. It might need more takeovers, but... Okay. So it's kind of like a ketchup. It's kind of like a ketchup red. It's pretty cute. They're pretty cute. Now I'm gonna have to... I literally look like a disaster, but that's cute. Red and then pink. Next. Hold on, I need a break. The innocent is gone. Just kidding, guys. We're not stopping. That wasn't the rest of the video. Then we have the Snatched. Okay. The Snatched lipstick. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use this, so we're actually going to go for a second so I can get my makeup on. Alright. So I'm back. I have no makeup on. And, okay. It's smooth. And it has glitter to it. I don't know. It's more like a pink natural. Here, I'll put it on my wrist so you guys can kind of see it. Yeah, you guys can definitely not see that, but this is the shade. It goes very good with light and dark skin. Really cute. It's called Snatched. Alright, let's stop wasting your time with this 10-minute video about D11. This is also called Snatched, and it's like darker red, but it's not really red, so let's see. Okay, yeah, it's definitely not red. It's like a mom color. Alright, let's see if this appears on my wrist. Will you wanna? Yes, she did. So the reddish Snatched went on my wrist. You can see it. It's like the darkest pink they got. But on your lips, it's not that. Oh no, it's kind of vibing with me. Alright guys, well, unfortunately, that is all. But if you want it, this is what the box looks like. We can get it in the picture frame. This is the back. It's at Five Below. Let's see if you can find it. Bye, subscribe. Love you guys. Remember, we're doing a giveaway at 100.